You're watching Alexander's and Cyrus Adventures.
Wow, Memo, look, another farm animals book. It says, "Where is my coat?" Farm animals. What is that? Is that a duck? A mama duck and a baby duck. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, look, they're dark and black animals. Look, the animals are asking, "Hey, where is my coat? And where is my baby's coat? Will you help us? Do you see what we are?" I think they're horses. Let's turn to the next page and look. They are horses. It says, "Well done. We are horses." Here's mama horse and baby horse. Oops, we lost our coats. Will you help us? What are we? It's 1, 2, 3 little ducks and mama duck. Let's see what. It's on the next page and it says, ta-da! That's right, we are ducks. Mama duck and 3 baby ducklings. Oh dear, my coat's gone. And mine too, says the baby. Will you help us? Can you tell us what we are? Correct. We are cows. The baby calf and mama. Which is mama? Mama cow. Oh dear, where are our coats? Will you help us? Can you tell what we are? I think those are sheep. Let's take a look on the next page. It says, that's right, we are sheep. Look, they look like the clouds. It's funny. We have flowers, they're running around in the ground in the field. We lost our coats. Will you help us? Can you guess what we are? I think this is Mama Pig and her little piglets. Let's see what we have. Ooh, look. That's right. It's a good guess. We are pigs. Mama Pig and her baby piglets.
Thank you for watching my channel, and please remember to subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye!